In this video, I'll talking with you 3 popular bidding strategy in Google Ads. Manual CPC. At first, I talk with you manual CPC. Manual CPC is a manual bidding strategy in Google Ads. With this option, you set the maximum amount you want to pay for each click. This way, you control your cost. Basically, I use this bidding for new ads account. Then next bidding strategy, conversion. Maximize conversion is an automated bidding strategy in Google Ads. If you use this bidding, Google try to optimize your ads with more leads or sales. This bidding work automated, not manual. And the next bidding strategy, maximize conversion with target CPA. Using this bidding, you can tell Google that I will give you $2. You can get $2 or more in per sales or leads, and the average will be $2. That means you set the amount, suppose $3, and Google will be cut $3 or more, but average will be $3. So that's it for today. Next video I'll talking about you Google's other bidding strategy. So if you need any help, please message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.